Welcome to the Screw Whistle Workshop. Today, as you can see, I removed the other old garage light. Still got one more to remove. On this one, I think I'm gonna take the baluster off because I think I know how to do that now. And I might do the same thing on this one. So I still have two lights to hang on that side. What else today I got done? My daughter came over and we got rid of all her old clothes and some more of my cousin's shoes. So that's about all I did today. All that stuff went to the curb when I got my wife from work, came home and did this. Soon I'm gonna clean this hole, I'm gonna blow this whole workshop out, and I'm gonna fix the garage door as soon as I figure it out. It's so old and I can't afford a new one, so I gotta figure out how to get it closed. I ordered a ratchet strap. I got a ratchet strap on there now, but I ordered another one. I ordered a heavy duty 2-inch one, so hopefully that one will be better and allow me to pull the door all the way closed. I really want to wall it in, but I don't know how to weatherproof that. But until then, peace. Oh yeah, like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Wait.
Now.
Daryl, what you in there doing?